Hi, I'm Chris Fox and this is Northeast Tesla. I'm here discussing pest protection. Tesla wanted information about why did I think I needed pest protection. Well, I'm going to share with you what I shared with them, plus some new video that I recently shot through my home security cameras. You'll see exactly who I'm trying to keep out of my solar panels. The solar panels have wires that connect to the rest, connect them together, and that goes to the main system. And those wires are exposed, and those wires are tasty to squirrels and raccoons. The coating they find very flavorful, it seems. My neighbors who also have a solar system, well, they had some real bad challenges and their system failed. So they had to have many panels replaced. I'm not looking forward to having that, so I had the pest protection added as quickly as possible to my installation. I need your help getting this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, click the like button. It's really important for the YouTube algorithm that we get as many likes as possible. And then hit that notification bell. That way you'll know that we've added new content when we get our EV and we're starting to drive around and creating content about the new either Model X or Model Y, whichever we end up purchasing. You'll be able to find out we're creating content. As you can see, the pest protection is attached to the flashing, and then it's wrapped down to the edge of the shingles. The goal is to make a deterrent so that the raccoons and the squirrels don't want to get underneath. Now you may ask, well, why don't they attach it to the shingles? Well, then you'd be creating holes into the roof that would let water get in. So we can't do that. I also asked Tesla, why couldn't we extend the flashing down lower so that there'd be less room for squirrels, raccoons, skunks to get underneath, and that the mesh might be able to be pried up. And they said we needed the mesh because you need to have the airflow. In the high winds that we get during hurricanes, there would be the risk and the potential that the panels would be ripped off of the roof if there wasn't a way for the wind to pass under easily. And I actually agree and understand that perspective. So we've gone with this wire mesh, and hopefully it will be effective. So as you can see, on all sides they've installed the protection. They've done a good job where the pieces all come together. On the roof across the way, those solar panels sit much higher off of the roof itself than my Tesla solar panels. They also don't have the flashing that help protect that opening. So the pest guard that they have is very inefficient and has easily been ripped down by either squirrels or raccoons. And as you can also see, the wire mesh is on the upper and lower panels. And I have examples of why we need to be so diligent. When you see the climbing skills of the raccoons on my property, you'll understand exactly why.
From squirrels, skunks, and raccoons,
even turkeys. I've got it all at this place. It's crazy. These little guys, these squirrels, they're amazing climbers, jumpers. They can get onto roofs. These skunks, if they couldn't crawl under that fence, you know they'd be climbing over, and they'd be also climbing up, getting onto the roof as well. I've got them coming, and I've got them going. My house is like Mutual of Omaha. I feel like I'm living in the sticks, even though I'm just outside of Boston. I tried to explain to my Tesla advisor why I needed the guards, but until I showed them these videos, until they saw exactly what you're about to see right now, they didn't believe me. Watch this guy take this fence like it's nothing. My son doesn't climb this well. There he is, right up on top. It's amazing. I was in shock when I saw this. This guy, if he wanted to, could go straight up that drain pipe in seconds. But instead, he chooses to go down the other way. Thankfully. When I saw these two guys, I was in shock. I couldn't believe how easily they climbed up and then how easily they just walked over the very top of the fence. For months, I was trying to figure out what was going on with my fence. Why was it all torn up? And then I decided to take a look at these videos. And look at this. It's insane. But almost as crazy as this is, check out these turkeys. These turkeys fly. Wild turkeys in the Northeast. He didn't climb up the fence, he climbed up on top. Those turkeys are in those trees. So, I look forward to this guy. Yes, that's called a coywolf. The coywolf, he's the predator. And he's going to get rid of all of these guys. Just for me. So with the coywolf patrolling the neighborhood, and my Tesla solar panels wrapped in pest protection, we've had a pretty good year so far since the original install. And if anything changes, well, I'll let you know. I truly hope you found this video valuable and worth your time. And please, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And mention to other people. Share the link. Let them know so that they can subscribe. I'm Chris Fox. This is Northeast Tesla, and I thank you for your support. Have a great day.